Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we have to discuss how to do the placement of underground water tank. Okay, because the water which we are taking and which we are supplying to building to each and every fixture from the underground tank only. Okay, so the sizing of underground tank and overhead tank already I have discussed in module 1. Okay, you can just go through that. Here I will show you how to create underground tank in Revit and how we can do the placement. So remember, while designing an underground tank, water tank in plumbing, first of all we have to determine a suitable location for the underground water tank. Okay, considering factor like accessibility, ground condition and proximity to the water source. So where exact location we have to decide. Then we have to excavate the designated area to accommodate the tank. Okay, so for that we have to follow the local regulation and safety guideline during excavation. Okay, then we have to choose an appropriate underground water tank based on capacity, material and intended use. So common material include concrete, fiberglass or polyethylene. So as per your requirement you have to select the material. Then we have to install the tank in the excavated area, ensuring it is properly supported and surrounded by a stable foundation. But here, so for that we have to follow the manufacturer guideline for installation. Okay, so remember, always adhere to local building codes, regulation and safety standard when designing and installing underground water tank in plumbing system. So first of all, here I will show you how we can create that underground tank in Revit. Simple. Come here in File tab. Here we have to create a family. Underground tank is what family. So in new, see the family option is given. Hit on that. Okay. So from here you want to work in interior unit. So under English interior, from here you can select mechanical equipment. Okay. So we are creating the tank in mechanical equipment. So after the creation, where the tank is loaded, when you load, after creating the tank, when you load that tank in your project, so that tank will load it in mechanical equipment. Okay, so here you can see, now we have to create that tank. Already I have discussed the sizing, how to find out the capacity of underground tank. Already I have discussed in module 1. Okay, you can go through. Here just I am drawing that tank of any dimension. Okay, come here in reference level. I am using the extrusion command here. Create tab, form panel, hit on extrusion. Okay, extrusion start from 0. How much height of that tank you want to give? Let's say 4 feet. Here I have written 4 feet. Okay, from draw panel you can select the rectangle. Now just draw the tank. Suppose the tank size I am just using whatever size of your tank, as per that you have to 8 feet, let's say 8 feet or 7 feet. Let's 7 feet total length of that tank. Width I am taking 4 feet. Okay, see, hit on finish edit mode. Now we have created the tank you want to see in 3D view. So from here hit on 3D view. See, always hit on fine and shaded view. See, the tank is ready, but here we have to create the void extrusion also. This is the underground tank. We have to create the void extrusion to fill the water inside this tank. Okay, so for that first you have to select the plane, work plane. So create tab, work plane, show, set, pick up plane. Okay, now I want to select this top plane. Okay, then make it as a front. So come here in 3D cube, hit on top plane. From here you can drag it, you can increase or decrease the plane as per your requirement. Okay, you will get the drag point here in this way. So this is our top portion of tank. Now I want to create the, we know that total height of this tank I have taken 4 feet. So create tab, here form panel you will get the option of void form. From here hit on void extrusion. From draw panel I have selected rectangle only. Offset, yes, because the thickness of this tank we have to give now. So let's say offset is -3 inch or 4 inch. I'm giving -4 inch. Extrusion start from 0 only, but and because total we have to give the thickness. So 3.6 I am taking, 4-inch thickness, tank thickness. Okay, hit on apply, or you can write down like this, 3 feet or 8 inch, enter. Okay, then draw the rectangle from this corner point to this corner point. See, hit on finish edit mode. Now when you rotate here, we have created the void. You don't want to see this plane, you want to hide, so create tab, again hit on show, the plane will hide. See, now we have created the void extrusion here. Inside this we have to fill the water, getting na? So in this way we have to create. Now here I want to create one slab to close this tank in this top surface. So again you have to select the plane first. Okay, pick up plane, select this top portion, come here, make it as a front. Again I am using the solid extrusion now. From draw panel, rectangle. Now the thickness of that slab is 4 inch is enough. Take as a 4-inch thickness. So extrusion is start, or offset how much? Let's say 6 inch. Now draw the slab like this. Hit on finish edit mode. Now see, the slab is ready. You don't want to see this plane, again you have to hit on show. Okay, so now here in this front side I want to write down the name here, underground water tank. Okay, so you can use the model text command for that. First of all you have to select the plane, then only it is possible. So hit on pick up plane, select this front face, make it as a front from 3D cube. Now I want to write down the text here. So in create tab, model panel, you will get the option of model text. Hit on that, write down, this is my underground tank. Okay, just write down, hit on OK. Where you want to place, you can reduce the size and thick, depth, everything, just place it. But see, we have to rotate it first because it is in opposite direction. So I am selecting the rotate command and rotate it 360 degree. See, but see, the depth of this text is so high. You want to reduce the depth, select that text. Here depth is showing 6 inch, I want only 1 inch. Just write down 1 inch, apply. See, you will get the depth. Okay, you want to reduce the size. Okay, select that text from the edit type. Here you can reduce, you can change the font, what you want, text font, text size. Okay, everything is given here, so you can do the changes. Now I want to hide the this one plane, so hit on show again. See, same way you want to change the material of this tank, that option is also available. Select the tank from the drawing. Okay, complete tank. Here see, the material option is given in PP. Just you have to hit on this 3 dot, which type of material you want to use. Okay, so for that first you can open or close it, access browser is given. So suppose concrete material we need to take here, so search concrete. Here you will get the list of concrete material. So what you want to use, suppose let's say I want to use this, so just double hit on that. See, that material is added here. See the preview, close it from here. I want to apply this material, concrete material, apply. Okay, option is available. Okay, hit on that. So here the material is added. See, you want to see that material, so only in realistic, if suppose if you have changed the material, so in shaded view you cannot see that material. To see the material, the real texture of that material, you have to open the realistic view. So from the visual style, open the realistic view, see the material which you have applied. Okay, it is here. So again, don't need to work in realistic view because our file will become heavy, so always work in shaded view only. Okay, so in this way we have changed the material also. Now same way, now we have to place the pipe connector. Okay, because we have to draw the pipe also. So let's say here in this phase I want to draw the municipality pipe connector. Okay, the water will come from the municipality to fill the tank, otherwise you can take the water from the bore well. So here we need to place the connector, one connector here we need to place in this direction to supply the water in the bottommost part, to supply the water from underground tank to overhead tank. Then from the overhead tank we are supplying water to each and every fixture. So this pipe is called as a which pipe? Pumping main pipe. Okay, we have to create one pipe connector for pumping main pipe. Okay, how to do the pipe sizing? everything. Okay, so from as per IPC International Plumbing Code, you can do the pipe sizing. That also I will explain you. Okay, and already I have explained in the module 1 for how to do the pipe sizing, pumping main pipe size. That already I have explained. You can go through that video, so you will get each and everything. Okay, so here just I'm assuming. Okay, so let's see. Suppose the here I'm selecting the 4-inch pipe. Okay, for municipality. So just select the create tab. First you have to select the plane, pick a plane, select this face, make it as a front. Okay, here we need to create the connector. So hit on create tab, form panel, extrusion. From draw panel I have selected circle. Okay, now extrusion and 1-inch thickness connector I want, diameter 4-inch na, so it means radius 2-inch. I have connected this, then hit on finish edit mode. Now here we have to place the connector. So how? See, simple, create tab, connector panel, pipe connector option is given, hit on that and place in the top face like this. Then press the skip key, again select the connector from the drawing. Here see diameter how much, 4-inch, so just write down whatever you want. Okay, automatically the size of connector will reduce 4-inch. Now flow configuration, always select preset. Flow direction in or out, in, because we have to take the water from the municipality line to fill the tank or from the borewell. So in flow direction. Loss method, select specific loss. System classification, hydronic supply only. From here you can change the flow value, pressure drop. Okay, everything you can change as per International Plumbing Code. Hit on apply. Same way I want to place one connector here. Okay, so first we have to select the plane. So hit on pick up plane. Okay, and select this plane, make it as a front. Now where we need to place the connector for pumping main pipe, in the bottom only. So here what I am doing, just create first circle of 1-inch diameter from here, let's say here. Same diameter I am taking, 2-inch, radius 2-inch, diameter 4-inch. Okay, hit on finish edit mode. Now here we need to place the connector, pipe connector. Okay, so hit on create tab, pipe connector, select this top face, then press the escape key. Now from the drawing select the connector. How much diameter connector you want? 4-inch. So here in diameter write down 4-inch. Automatically the size will change. Then flow configuration preset, flow direction in or out. Now you have to select out. Okay, because we are supplying water from underground tank to where, to the overhead tank. So this is the out. And loss coefficient, as I told you, is specific loss. You can change the flow. Okay, so for that you have to calculate the water demand, then only you can decide how much flow we have to take. Okay, so that is a designing part. Okay, so here designer will give you this all detail, sizing of tank, piping, pipe sizing, everything they will give you. Here we have to model that. Okay, so hit on that. After doing this, we have created, you'd want to hide this one, so hit on show again. Now after creating this tank, now we have to load it. Now first save it, file tab, save as what, family. Save the underground tank to the desired location with the name underground tank. Okay, so here I have saved it to the desktop. Now finally we have to load this underground tank in our project. So load into project, so that tank is loaded. See, you can place it anywhere, but just first press the escape key and take it here. Now where you want to place, outside the building, let's say I have decided the location for underground tank here, because this is our pump room. Here we need to place the pump, so let's say here we have to place the underground tank. So where it is loaded, as I told you, we have created that underground tank in mechanical equipment. So in mechanical equipment only you will get that tank. So come here in system tab, mechanical equipment, hit on that. See, here you will get the underground tank. Just place it where you want. So I want to place that tank here. Now you can draw the pipe also. See, this is out pipe, right click, draw pipe. From here you can easily draw the pipe. But this is the underground tank we need to place below the ground na? So elevation I am taking here -4 feet below the ground we have to place the tank. Hit on apply. Okay, see in elevation view the tank which we have placed it is below the ground. Getting? So in this way we need to place the underground tank. Okay, and so this is the complete lecture of creating and placement of underground tank. So I hope all of you enjoyed this session. See you